is an integer. So, but once you know what is an integer, so this question reduced to how many of these numbers can divide to 10? Of course, and in GRE, calculator is allowed. You see, because calculator is allowed, well, you can just start dividing 210 divided by 6. But what can help you so that you are not pressing everything? The divisibility rule for 6, which states that a number is divisible by 6 if the number is even and the number is even and is also divisible by 3. And then what is the divisibility rule for 3? That the number is divisible by 3 if the sum of each digit is divisible by 3. 2 plus 1 plus 0 is 3, and 3 is also divisible by 3. Sorry, yes, 3 is divisible by 3. So about 12, how about 14? So how you want to know if this can, if 12 can divide this number. Also, we know 6 can divide this. Okay, but you see that if 6 divide to 10, if 6 divide to 10, the number is going to end in 5. And if the number is going to end in 5, so the number is already odd number. So 12 cannot divide it. How about 14? So what to check out here is 210. How do we write 210? How do we write 210? So this brings us back to number bond. So this brings us to on that small video rather, on number bond is very interesting. And this was us back to the last question we solved, like the prime factorization of 210. If we have the prime factorization of 210, that 210 equals 2 by 5, which is 2 by 5, which is 10, 3 by 7. Because 3 times 7 is 21, then 2 times 5 is 10. That will give us 210. Now, if we are looking at this, the question is, can we find 6 here? So if you want to find 6, this is 6. Okay. Can we find 12? There's no 12. 12 is missing here. Can we find 14? Yes, this is 14. No, way of thinking. Can we find 35? 35, the number bond. Okay. Can we find 42? Can we find 42? Is
Yeah,
there anything
6
that
is
can give
there. 6
is
is there
what?
and 7 is there.
Okay, 6
You
times
already
7.
found
Oh,
6. Yes,
all
exactly.
right. I see. 42 is 6 and 7.
6 and
Yeah,
7. Yeah.
yeah. So nowhere to formulate 12.
So it's only 12 that is not there. Yeah.
Yes. And this is also the last question. I think this is supposed to be 15 question. This is the supposed to be 15 question. Yeah, it's supposed to be 15 question. So thank you for joining me. This is also the end of this class. Or if there is any other question, so you can reach at me. Yes, I would have loved us to continue. This type of question is there is very much interesting to solve. But I have a class at 8. I think I will not have a class. I won't have a class at 8 all the time. But today I think I have a class at 8. So thank you. Good night.